In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a secure Cloudflare tunnel. A Cloudflare tunnel lets you securely expose services to the internet without opening inbound ports on your network. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Cloudflare account and have the right permissions for Zero Trust. It also helps to have a domain added to your account so you can route traffic later. Begin on the Cloudflare dashboard home. This is your central hub for everything Cloudflare. From here, head into the Zero Trust area. Zero Trust is where Cloudflare centralizes secure access, identity, and networking features, and it's the place where tunnels are created and managed. If you don't immediately see it in the top navigation or sidebar, look for the Zero Trust or One Dashboard entry and select it. Inside Zero Trust, open the Networks section. Networks is where you'll find the tools related to connectivity, including Cloudflare tunnels. Taking a moment to land on the overview page is helpful. It gives you context about your account's networking features and confirms you're in the right workspace. Next, go to Manage Tunnels. This page lists any existing tunnels and is where you'll create new ones. If this is your first time, the list will be empty, which is perfectly fine. Choose the option to create a new Cloudflare tunnel. You'll be guided into a short setup flow. Select Add a Tunnel to begin. This doesn't expose anything yet. You are just defining the tunnel object in Cloudflare. You'll be asked to provide a tunnel name. Pick something descriptive and specific to its purpose, such as the environment or service it will front. Avoid including personal or sensitive information in the name. Clear naming makes it easier to manage multiple tunnels later and helps with auditing. When you're happy with the name, save the tunnel. Cloudflare will create the tunnel configuration in your account. This step completes quickly, and you should see a confirmation that the tunnel was created successfully. At this point, your secure Cloudflare tunnel object exists in Cloudflare and is ready for you to connect from your environment and configure routing when you're prepared to proceed. The benefit of doing it this way is that you set up the logical endpoint in the dashboard first, which keeps your deployment organized and makes the next steps straightforward. If you ever need to revisit or rename it, you can come back to Manage Tunnels at any time. That's it for setting up a secure Cloudflare tunnel in the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.